How to use VS Code for Python in Windows 11. So I'll show you how to set up Python in VS Code so you can start creating Python applications. Now the first thing you need to do is go and install Visual Studio Code to your computer. So if you haven't already done this, you can download it for free on the official website. Now once it's been installed, you can go and open up Visual Studio on your computer. You'll then need to minimize out of this page and then open back up an internet browser. Type in the word Python download and press search and click on the top website here, which is python.org. Now from the top of this page, select download Python install manager and then go and open up the downloaded file. You could then select install Python, type in the letter Y and press enter. Type in the letter Y once again and press enter one final time. And if you see the message that says you do not have the latest Python runtime, type in Y and press enter again. Once you've done this, close out of this window and go and open up the Visual Studio Code app. From the left-hand side, you need to go and click on Extensions, click on the search box, and then search for the word Python. You then need to select the Python app and press Install. Now, once you've done this, you should be ready to set up your first Python program. So click on File and select Open Folder. You then need to select a folder on your computer where you want to save your Python projects. Now you can just go and create a new folder as well, which is what I'm going to do. And I'm going to select this folder here. Make sure to select Trust the authors of all files and press Trust. Now click on File and select New File. Click on Python File from the list of options, and then you can just type in your Python code. Now to execute the file, you need to click on the play button. It will ask you to save the file. Make sure to save this with the extension .py. So I'm going to call this hello.py and then press save. You can then click on Run Python File once again, and down in the terminal window, you'll see all of your Python output.